Will you excuse me for a moment? I need to use the bathroom again. Gotta find that vacuum and get out of here. He copied all 492 of my self-portraits. And they're better than mine. He even got the rug right. Get a hold of yourself, Squiddy, old bean. This doesn't mean anything. All of this is just mimicry. He doesn't possess your style, or your decorating acumen, or your love of the finer things. In fact, the only thing he has is my vacuum cleaner. Hello, Remedy Gut. Post haste. Aha! He put you in here along with all his bad taste. You're coming home. Home with me. Is it really you? It is you. Come on, baby. You and I will walk out of this horror show the way we walked into it, with dignity and aplomb. My house.
You just missed the fire.
What happened to my house?
Oh, some knucklehead left a casserole in the oven.
Aw, don't worry, Squidward. You're more than welcome to stay at my house until you get your house fixed.
Yes, I love another spot of tea, Mr. Vacuum Cleaner. Care for some casserole?
Squidward? You okay? Squidward? Squidward!